All right, so here's the scientific conclusion what EMDR does to the brain. So, EMDR is a PTSD therapy. Now, within EMDR, how this is how it helps. So, a damaged brain with PTSD functions strictly off of the temporal lobe, and inside of your temporal lobe, there's the hippocampus and the amygdala, and that's where your memory is stored. Now, the temporal lobe is also responsible for the five senses, right? So, with that being said, um, if you're having traumatic memories, you essentially have stimuli in the temporal lobe due to negative energy. What stimuli means is simply just extra energy, just it's negative energy. And what EMDR does is it removes the traumatic response to the memory so you can process with your five senses, your temporal lobe, your memory, and in adjacent to the prefrontal cortex. So what that does is allow you to process the memory in reality and uh, have no traumatic response to the memory itself. So the memory doesn't disappear. The memory simply stays inside your brain, but you're able to process it through your five senses correctly, and therefore your prefrontal cortex functions and you're in reality because you're not functioning based off of your trauma, and you're not reliving it in real time. So that's the conclusion what EMDR does to the brain.